Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a statistic bar for some analytics activity. You can do that on construct tree. I will show you how to make it. Okay, at first you need to make some kind of tiled background for the bar. I will add some tiled background. I will name it analytics bar, and I will color it and then before that I will change my layer background to a background color. Okay, so you can see here clearly, and then I will shrink it to like bar and change the origin to bottom, and then I will add instance variable for the type again, and then I will add maximum height and set the maximum height to the top of as you wish. So you can make the maximum as like this, and or like this also. You can set anything you want for the maximum height. Then I will I will copy and paste here and make sure it has same y-axis position. I will just setting it later. I will just copy and paste first and copy and paste until the end of the layout size. One more. Okay, then all you make is to make the y-axis position to the same y-axis position. Okay, change the y-axis. I will copy and paste and make sure the range also same, like the type 0 is 90 95, and the second one is 195, and the second one at 295, and do for the rest of bar. 3 5, okay, 4, and then after that this will be a simple event sheet that you need to do. You just need some mathematic event sheet. Okay, so now we have this one. Okay, now we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 bar. I will change the type of each bar to make sure there will be difference, and don't forget to set the maximum height. The bar I will set to current height and 275 for all bar. Okay, it will be like that, like this now, and then I will change the current height to 0. Okay, so you cannot see the current analytics bar, and then I will add some like debug text box, text input, value input. I will just do the same thing for this bar, for each bar. So I will add some same thing for the input. I will add number without the maximum width, because you will not need that. I will change the type to number, and then I will copy and paste until we got 7 text input. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, and change the axis to 440. Okay, now you just need to rearrange the position. No need to be same, no need to be so tidy. You just need to be below of the bar, like this. And I will change the width of the bar first to huge. Okay, I will screen with to be seen. Okay, now we have one. I will set the position to the below of bar, so we can understand which is the own of the inputs, and change the type. Don't forget 2 3. So this is the index 0. You can change the first index to 1, it's fine, but I will use the first index to 0. And then you now have text input and the bar for the analytics. Don't forget to change the height again to 0. And I will add a button to refresh the analytics bar. Button. I will change text to refresh. Okay, and I will add behavior for the analytics bar, LiteTween. I will give a link to on the description below if you want to download it, for those who don't have LiteTween behavior yet. Okay, and change the properties, active to active on start, set to no, and tween property to height. And you can set any function here. I will use is in out queen, and then set the target to 0 at first, because you will set the target on even sheet later, and set the duration to 1.25. You can set the duration on any seconds you want, but I want this to be fast animation, so you won't need to wait for a long time. At first I will make a condition that if button press on press, so on click, and button on click, button refresh, button on click, this will be play on the animation to the value that you have already set on this event sheet. Okay, now pick all, or for each, you just use for each analytics bar. Analytics bar tween, LiteTween, set to start from the beginning. Then let's try first. I will try to set the target. So this is for a try. I will set to 200. Okay. This should be animated to the height of 200. Wait, this should the worker need to be turned off. I don't know why. Worker mode turned off. Okay, now I will press refresh. You can see all the analytics bar will be animated to the height of certain. Now I will make this analytic bars to 0 again, and when oh, you can just set the target just depends on the text input here. So if the text input type 0 has like 5 value, then the target will be also 5. I will just set like this. Oh, pick by comparison. Text input, input value input, fix value input, type to the analytics type, so it will be match between the value input and the analytics bar. And then after you pick the value input, you can adjust the target, depends on the current value of the text input. The target to the value input text, you need to set an integer here to make this as number. And before that, make sure the animation start after you set the target. I will try to make each bar has a value like 200. This is for 100, 300, and so on. Oh wait, this is not a good number. And okay, I will try to press refresh, and this is how you need to be animate. But in this case, you can set an unlimited value like this. So this height will become 855. See, to avoid that problem, you can set this height to the maximum. So before we start, you need to make a global variable maximum height global, and then after you click the button refresh button, you pick a comparison, pick analytics, pick the value input, pick the highest of before that, wait, okay, now we need to make another instant variable for the text input. I will make a current value. So for if you change the text input, if text input change, then value input set value current value to integer. self text. Okay, this integer for case that your text input is not a number, for it's like text box like that. Okay, then you can change the pick the highest current value that the max height global to value input current value, and then you can now set the current the maximum height of the bar, and the bar will be depends on the maximum height. So this is the math things you need to do first. Self current, oh yes, self wait, height, the height times with value input, integer value text, or just use the new one, value input current value divided by the maximum height. Wait, let's try. I will just setting this here. Oh yes, it won because the self height is 0. This is a self max. This will need to be self maximum height, and this will be got. I will set it randomly to okay, refresh. As you can see, the maximum height is still on the top, so you can adjust again. Let's try to adjust 40. This, and this is will be the highest. Okay, let's press. So this will be the highest analytics bar, and this will be the second. So all the things that you need is these 5 lines of code, and you can just change the even maybe if you have any innovation, so you can change to your own ones. Okay, maybe that's all for me, guys. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any what should I make for the next video, just comment on the comment section, and if you have any question for this video or any question, you can also comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe and like, and you can see also my other video here, and then see you next time. Thank you very much.